Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are continuing with the series of SQL. So we'll be studying null value, min max and limit today. Okay, so here's the PPT. So let's begin. So what is a null value? So a field with a null value is a field with no value. Okay, so as simple as that. So if a field in a table is optional, it is possible to insert a new record or update a record without adding a value to this field. Then the field value will be saved as a null value. Okay, and here's a note, this point you need to remember: a null value is different from a zero value or a field that contains spaces. Okay, so even if the field has spaces, you cannot consider it as a null value, or a zero, then you cannot consider it as a null value. A field with a null value is one that has been left blank during the record creation, so that is known as a null value. Okay, so it is not possible to test the null values with a comparison operator such as equal to, less than, or this operator. We will have to use null value and is not null operators instead. Okay, so we need to use is null and is not null operators instead. Okay, so we will be studying is null syntax. So here's the syntax: select column name and then from table name where column name is null. Okay, and in case of is not null, you can use this one. Okay, so let's go to MySQL workbench and try to understand something. So in case of null values, what we'll do is select star from duration, sorry, IMDb movies movies where duration is null. Okay, now if I run this query, it will return all the records where the duration is been kept null. Okay, so if I run this, as you can see, there are around 6 rows. I think 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 5 rows where the value is null in case of duration. Okay, and if you want just the duration column, then you can replace it with duration column here. Okay, so star means it will return all the records, and in case of duration, it just returns the duration. Okay, and if I place it not null here, then it will return the records where the null values are not present. So this is how you get. Now if I want all the records, then just replace this with star and then run the query. See, so you get all the records where the duration is not null. Now as you can see in the records here there is a cell which is been an empty, that is, you can see no value is present in this cell, right? But when I'm running null constraint, it is not returning this cell because I think there is space or some other things present here. Okay, space is present here. It is not left empty as it is. Okay, and also you can see there is no zero here, but it is still empty, but it is not considered as null. Okay, that means some value has been present and may be deleted, or space is present. Okay, so this is all about the null and not null. Let's go to the PPT. Okay, and let's go to the next. So there is other thing which is limit. So if you want to get the records which are top 3 records or top 10 records, then what you can do is you can use a limit function here. Okay, so let's go to workbench and try to use a limit here. So select star from IMDb movies, and I just want the 3 records. Okay, means I just need 3 records. So if I run this, you will get only the 3 records. As you can see, the first one is null, and then 169 and 48. And if you want a particular column, then you can write a column name here. Also you can get 2 or 3 columns. Okay, so if I take director name here, director name, and num of critic reviews and actor feedback. So as you can see, now I'll get 3 records which returns only 3 columns, that is direct name, num of critic reviews, and actor Facebook likes. Okay, and there is one more thing, that is we can select from the beginning rows like that. So select star from IMDb movies. First I will run this, then you will understand. So if I run this, what we will get is, we'll get all the records. Okay, now if I place the limit here, limit, I need to start from third row, and then I need to get 2 records. So as you can see, it will start from third, that means fourth column, that is 1 2 3. It will give us Christopher Nolan and Doc Walker. Okay, so it will give these 2 records. Let's see. So as you can see, we got only Christopher Nolan and Dog Walker. That means it will reduce or not consider the first 3 rows, and then it will give the next 2 rows. Okay, so this was the use of limit. Okay, hope you understood this. Okay, if you don't understand, then just replay the video. Okay, so this was about the limit, and the next is min and max functions. So the min function returns the smallest value of the selected column, and the max functions returns the largest value of the selected column. So the syntax goes like this: select min of column name, whatever column you want, and from table, and if there is a condition you want to apply to particular column, then you can use where condition. Okay, and max also goes in the similar condition, but you just need to replace min with max. So let's look into that. So let's run this first. So as you can see, we got all the records. Now select min of, what we'll take is actor Facebook likes will take. Hope we will get or not, because some are empty there. Because if empty things are present, or nothing is present in the of one of the rows, then it will not return the min value. That's the problem. Facebook like from IMDb movies. Okay, so if I run this, okay, I got 2. That is there are the minimum value from actor 1 Facebook to likes is 2. Also we can use different column names. Okay, so you can use alias, that is as min value, something like that. So if I run this, then the column name will be changed to min value. So as you can see, the minimum value and then 2. Now if I just replace this with max, then I will get the max value. That's it. That's the only difference between min and max. That means you will get the maximum value of the particular column and minimum value of the particular column using min and max. Okay, so that was all about today, guys. That is, we studied null value, then limit, and min max. Okay, so hope this helps, and if you understood something, then do hit that subscribe button. Till then, take care. Bye bye.